guys, it's Danica. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my updated morning skincare routine and also my everyday makeup. A lot of you guys have been requesting for this video, so let's just get started. The first thing that I do is I cleanse my face, and I use this soap that I got from my Derma. It's an antibacterial soap and it really works well with my skin. If you guys didn't know, my skin is normal to dry. I wipe my face and then I just rub the soap on my hand. The next thing that I do is I tone my face, and the toner that I use is the Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula Alcohol-Free Toner in Rose Petal. I really love this product, and since my skin is very dry, this one helps in moisturizing it. So for this one, I just use a cotton pad to apply it all over my face. After that, I take my clindamycin solution. This one is also from my Derma, and I just apply this on the areas where I have acne, and it just helps treat your acne. So I just use my fingers to apply this one. After that, I take my hydrocortisone cream. This one is from my Derma again. I just apply this all over my face. It just helps treat my skin allergies. Because if you guys don't know, I do get these small bumps on my face. I moisturize my face using my Moroccan argan oil. I take my Face Republic Crystal Glow Whitening Cream. If you guys don't know, this Crystal Glow Whitening Cream is a skin perfecting moisturizer, and it naturally lightens your dull and dark spots, and it makes my skin bloom even without makeup, so I really like it. This one can also prep your skin for makeup, and this one also keeps my skin hydrated and fresh all day. I just apply this all over my face and also my neck. So the last thing that I do is I use my Face Republic Super Screen Sun Gel with SPF 50+. I really like this sunscreen because it's a non-sticky, non-greasy formula, and it also doesn't leave a white cast on your face. This does not only protect your skin from the harmful sun rays, but it also gives an instant glow to your skin. So I just take a small amount of this product because a little goes a long way with this one, and I just apply that. If you guys are wondering, these two products cost $4.99 each, and Face Republic is also available in Watsons, Lazada, Shopee, and BeautyMNL. So that is it for my skincare routine. Now on to my everyday makeup. First thing that I do is I take my concealer and just conceal my eye bags. I keep my everyday makeup very simple since I don't really like to put a lot of makeup on my face. So next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I always use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. Then I'm going to take my Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Black, but ubus na ako nito. I really like this product. Okay, so after my brows, I'm going to be doing my blush. So I use these two Glossier Cloud Paints in the shade Puff and Storm. I mix these two together. After that, I go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I'm going to be taking my mascara. This is the Heroin Make Long Curl Mascara. Then I'm going to be taking my JCat Beauty Rockin' Blitz Diamond Dazzle Liquid Liner. This one is in the shade Dazzling Brown. Not sure if you guys can see that, but I just do a really small wing. Now onto the lips. I'm going to be using this lip liner from BTLA in the shade Regina. Then I'm going to be applying some lip balm, and this one is the GlossierChairBalm.com. Then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Sunny Space Fluff Matte in the shade Nudist. So the last thing that I do is put on some liquid highlighter. This one is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. That is it it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you still haven't. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!